Business proposal presentation for the subject Business Enterprise Simulation. Their dedication to promoting environmental responsibility, resource efficiency, and sustainable entrepreneurship sets an inspiring example for future business leaders. This award honors their efforts in creating a greener and more sustainable future, given this 26th day of March 2025 at Central Visayan Institute Foundation with the same signatories.
So, for the special citation for green innovation, who's your bet?
Who's your bet?
Who's your bet? So, special citation for green innovation is given to Faibana Company. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Faibano Company. You are the most, you have a special citation for green innovation.